thought the course was fantastic, and Amar, you're incredibly engaging. I've come on the course, I want to understand what my people are doing. I don't understand some of the terminology. So really it was to get more detail, and I've got that, as well as I've got a few tips about what I should be asking. I already own disaster recovery, so I have playbooks, but I want to develop more on the cyber side so we know what we're doing. So I've really enjoyed it, and actually I'm intrigued now to find out more.